Third thing, whenever you shoot with a cell phone, shoot landscape. You guys should know this. Like, there are tons of jokes and memes about it on the internet, but shoot horizontally with your phone so that when I edit it or anyone in the YouTube department edits it, it fills up the entire screen. So that way it doesn't matter whether someone views it on a phone or a desktop or a TV, it looks good and it fills up the frame. Pretty self-explanatory, pretty straightforward. It's just a small thing that saves us time on the back end from having you to reshoot something because you shot it vertically. If we do a video where we want vertical footage, I will definitely let you guys know and everything like that, but just for standard best practice, shoot horizontally and shoot HD footage. Most iPhones shoot that by default, so you should be fine, but just remember, keep your phone horizontal or I will come and find you.